Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oil of oregano for parasites. First, understand that oil of oregano contains powerful compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which are known for their antimicrobial properties. These active ingredients can help combat various internal parasites. It's important to use this potent oil correctly, always ensuring proper dilution for both internal and topical applications. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement, especially for parasitic infections. Oil of oregano works primarily through its active compounds, carvacrol and thymol. Carvacrol is particularly effective at disrupting the cell membranes of parasites, which stops them from growing and replicating. Thymol, on the other hand, plays a vital role in boosting your immune system, helping your body fight off infections. Beyond parasites, this oil also offers strong antifungal and antibacterial benefits, making it a versatile natural remedy for various pathogens. For an easy method of using oil of oregano, proper dilution is key. For internal use, you can mix 1 to 3 drops of oregano oil with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil, such as olive or coconut oil. Another option is to add 3 to 5 drops to a glass of water or juice. Always begin with a smaller dose, perhaps 1 or 2 drops, to see how your body reacts. For best results, choose an oil of oregano product containing at least 65% carvacrol. While beneficial, oil of oregano requires careful use. Never apply undiluted oil directly to your skin or take it internally without proper dilution, as it is very potent. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should completely avoid using oregano oil. If you are currently taking blood thinners or anti-diabetic medications, it is crucial to consult your doctor before use, as oregano oil can interact with these. Stop using it immediately if you experience any stomach upset, nausea, or signs of an allergic reaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.